Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for product comparisons. Today, we have a showdown between two robot vacuums, the iRobot Roomba 694 and the Tikom L9000. Let's see which one will clean up the competition. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roomba 694 is priced at $274, while the Tikom L9000 is more budget-friendly at $249. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Tikom L9000, making it a great option for those looking to save a bit of cash. Now, let's talk design. The Roomba 694 has a sleek, premium design, reminiscent of a secret agent ready for any mission. On the other hand, the Tikom L9000 features a futuristic design with 360-degree LiDAR navigation, looking like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Reviewers love the elegant look of the Roomba and the high-tech appearance of the Tikom. When it comes to cleaning features, the Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head and adaptive navigation, making it versatile for different surfaces. However, the Tikom L9000 boasts a powerful 4,000 Pascal suction, making it a beast for heavy-duty cleaning. Reviewers have praised the Roomba for its adaptability and the Tikom for its powerful suction, especially effective on pet hair. For navigation and technology, the Roomba 694 uses advanced sensors and cliff detection, effectively dodging obstacles and avoiding stairs. The Tikom L9000 steps up with 360-degree LiDAR navigation and the ability to save up to 5 maps. Users appreciate the Roomba's reliability in avoiding falls and the Tikom's advanced precise navigation capabilities. Battery life is crucial for uninterrupted cleaning. The Roomba 694 offers 90 minutes of runtime, while the Tikom L9000 provides an impressive 150 minutes in quiet mode. Reviewers note that the Tikom's longer battery life is a significant advantage for larger cleaning tasks. Both vacuums come with app and voice control features. The Roomba 694 uses the iRobot Home app, while the Tikom L9000 uses the Tuya Smart app. The Tikom L9000 also includes additional features like 14 no-go zones, a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping combo, and adjustable water output. Reviewers find the Tikom's extra features and versatility to be a major plus. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Roomba 694 for its sleek design, adaptability, and reliable navigation, but note some issues with noise and occasional missed spots. The Tikom L9000 is praised for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and additional features, making it a highly recommended choice, especially for pet owners. So there you have it, folks. If you want a sleek, reliable cleaner with a touch of elegance, go for the Roomba 694. But if you're all about getting the most bang for your buck with extra features and longer battery life, Tikom L9000 is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, buy smart, live smarter.